Alright, good day everyone. Welcome back to my channel, and today we have a new product review, not review, unboxing. Okay, so the product is Infinity Kappa, okay, K1000 Monoblock. Okay, so I have covered the Kappa K4 4-channel amplifier. So this will be the monoblock version of the Kappa K4. Okay, it's very small in size, but it is very powerful. Okay, the ratings are very nice, quite decent amount of power. Okay, it's a Class D amplifier. I've already explained what is a Class D amplifier. You can check that video out. Okay, so very basic. Let's box it. Okay, once you open it, you will get your instruction manuals. Okay, that's your instruction manual. Pretty handy. Okay, and then it's very similar to the K4. Very similar. You'll get your mounting screws. Okay, and you'll get this high level to RCA adapters. Okay, that's where you put your high level input and you plug it in your this one on the amplifier. So it works as an RCA, but it's a high level input converter. Okay, they also gave extra fuse, which comes handy if you blow up your amp. Fuse, I mean your amp fuse. Okay, not the amp itself. All right, nothing much. That's about it. That's the box, empty box. So we put this aside for now. Okay, so let's see. There we go. It's not that big. Okay, it's not that long like the typical monoblocks that you buy. Okay, it's very compact, very slim. Oh yes. Okay, that's the monoblock. Very slim, sleek design. As usual, you'll have your speaker terminals, and you have your fuse distribution here. Okay, so you have to take this out to get access to the fuse inside here. Okay, and you have your terminals, which is your 12-volt remote and ground. Okay, on this side you will have all your input connections. Okay, this is the RCA input, or if you're running your what we call that high levels, then you can use this and you just plug it in. Okay, so that's about it. And this is your input level selection, which means if you are using an RCA or you're using a high level input. If you're using RCA, keep it at low. If you are using high level input, push this to high 1, high 2. So either way, that's just for the selection, the what we call that, the input voltage selection. And you have your gain knob and your crossover. Okay, so this is like 32 to 320 hertz. Usually we will keep it around 60, 50, below that. Okay, and your bass boost, I'm not really a fan of bass boost. Okay, so nope. And your high pass filter, not really into that. And this is your phase selection. Okay, so overall very small, very compact, and it feels so heavy in your hands. Okay, feels very heavy, feels very solid, nice build. Okay, metallic brushing, aluminum finishing. Just for comparison, I'm going to show you Kappa K4. This is the Kappa K4. Okay, and the monoblock, it's not that big. Okay, it's not that long. It's just nice. Okay, good with the real estate in your car. If you have a very what we call that, not much of space in your car, so it's not that bad. All right, so hope this video helps you guys. So yeah, please be safe, everyone. Wear your mask, follow the SOP. Please don't simply go out and contract the virus. Okay, so hope this unboxing video gives a slight preview on what you're getting and how is it going to look like and whatnot. Okay.